Hi all, Henrik here. This is an unbiased, unpaid review of Nongshim Black Shin Beef Bone Broth Ramen. This is spicy stuff, but it is really, really good. Before I went for my walk today, I had a late lunch, and I had that with some Coke. I know I'm going off my diet a little bit. Um, well, going off my health kick a little bit, but and I had a little bit of ice cream later to cut the spice. But okay, what this is instant ramen, as you can see from the graphic. Um, it has a beef broth flavor to it, and it is really good. It is made with sea salt. It is made with natural ingredients. I believe it's Korean, I'm not sure. But um, the topping is black seaweed, dried, which is in Japan it's called nori. But it is really, really, really good. It starts out kind of subtle. What you do is, as with most ramen, you put you open the container, you pour the water in there, you cook it for 2 minutes in the microwave, and then you take it out and you put the seaweed on top and stir it up, and there it is. Um, a lot of American ramen and noodle soup has very strong sodium flavor to it, very strong salt flavor. This one doesn't. What it does have is a very subtle beef broth flavor that picks up after a while. It will come after you. For that reason, I would suggest having some rice on the side, or some ice cream, or some yogurt if you like that, or a piece of bread. Because if you are not used to spice that sneaks up on you, it will roast your throat. I'm kind of used to mild to medium spice. This is about a level 4 spice out of 10. I'm used to mild to medium spice. But for those people who are not, it is a good idea to have one of those things on the side. Because once it gets inside your throat, it will say, "I'm back," or "I'm here." um, and you don't have to add anything to it. It's got everything in it. It's got mushrooms. It's got the little tiny squares of nori. It comes with 2 packets. It comes with the flavor packet, which is the broth, and the nori packet, which is just little flat squares of dried seaweed. And um, it is fairly simple to put together, and it is really, really, really good. It's a little expensive, as you can see from the link that I will put in the description, but it is worth it. Um, it is good. It is healthy. You wouldn't think so from beef, but unless you're allergic, um, beef bone beef bone broth is healthy for you. Um, but it is really good, and I would highly recommend it. Um, if you can afford it, get a 6-pack. So that's about it. Take care. See ya.